Honorable Ssebuwufu John Mary garnered 18 valid votes. Honorable Kalule Ali Salongo got 16 votes. I therefore declare Honorable Ssebuwufu John Mary the elected candidate for the position of Speaker, since he has obtained more than 50% votes cast in his favor.
Politics has ended. It's now work. It's very critical that the people get involved to make decisions. So when we sit together with the people of Kampala and discuss the Kampala we want, come here and adopt that, the people will have been involved. And believe me, they will adhere to whatever we resolve. So it's important to have them on board.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.